I know it's been some time since we have had a chance to chat, but I am all moved in. Hopefully you saw the video of my moving day and moving in with my fiance. So I have been here for about 2 weeks now. And as you can see, what I have shown you is my closet. It was a spare bedroom or guest bedroom. I have transitioned into a little bit of a closet, and it's a mess. I'm really having a hard time organizing my clothing and my stuff in this new home. I love it. I love living with my fiance. It's been an actual easy transition moving in with each other, but it's been a harder transition combining our things because I had a full house of stuff. He had a full house of stuff. So we're combining. But what I have found to be the most challenging for me is my wardrobe. And being able to organize it in this room without feeling like I have the right tools. I had where I was before, I had 3 bedrooms that I could use as closet space. Here I have this room, which has a small closet, which I'll show on either side, not sure what side. For some reason, whoever lived here previously, and I did confirm that my fiance did not do this, but they put 2 levels of hanging rods. So there is no closet in this house that allows for long hanging clothes. Not my fiance's closet, not this closet, and there's another spare bedroom. They all have hanging rods. It's made it very actually impossible to hang dresses and or skirts, because it's all set up for shirts or pants. Don't want to stereotype, but I have to assume that whoever lived here before my fiance had to have been a man, because there is no way a woman who lived here would have been okay with closets that did not allow for skirts or dresses. Maybe I shouldn't assume or stereotype that all women wear skirts or dresses, but I think even if she wore pants all the time, I think she would have said, this won't work for whoever may live here later. Can't even hang my wedding dress. There's no place for me to hang my wedding dress. My wedding dress is now being hung in the guest bathroom on the shower rod because it's the only long hanging rod. So very bizarre, very weird. So it's made it difficult for me to figure out how to hang my skirts and dresses. So what I have done, as you saw a little bit in this room, is I purchased it's a temporary rod to hold my skirts and dresses. And the reason why I got something temporary and not like a PAX wardrobe unit or something like that is because it was very important to me that I got a feeling for the space before I started purchasing items. We do not plan on living here very long. I think we only plan on living here a year and a half at most. So I didn't want to really purchase anything that was expensive, when I wasn't really sure how I was going to use the space. Now that I have lived here for, 2 weeks going on 3 weeks, I have decided that I am going to purchase a wardrobe, because having clothes out like this is not my vibe either. I'm a person who likes to, I don't want to say hide, which I was like, well, yeah, hide things behind doors. I like doors to cover things up. So I think I am going to purchase a wardrobe to put on this wall. Because even though I do like this, it just feels very unorganized to me. I just don't like it. So this is what has been hanging all of my skirts and my dresses. And then I also hang my clothes as I prepare for clothes for the week. I hang this as here. And what I've also found is that because this place is such a mess, I have not really had any inspiration to get dressed up. So I say all that to say, welcome to my channel. If you haven't done so, please like and subscribe. I got to 6 minutes before saying that. I think my last video I was in 10 or 11 minutes, but please like, subscribe. And I just want to thank you for being here. I really appreciate it. So now that I am settled, I would like to take you along to help me organize this space. I need to organize it, get it together. I will be moving some things that I use quite often into the master bedroom space. I thought originally that I would just do everything kind of in here. Like this would be where all my clothes and things were. But I found like when I get out the shower, I don't want to have to go across this hallway to get my underwear and bras and pajamas and things like that. I will move all of that into the master bedroom, kind of all of my essential things there. And here would just mainly be my shoes and my my shoes and my daily clothes, but the master bedroom will now house all of my essential goods. Yeah, if you don't mind, I just want to kind of declutter this space, clean up this space. And I thought it would be nice to kind of take you with me on that and also go through some of the things that no longer fit me. I've started kind of collecting some things that will go to the Salvation Army. So I'll be doing a little bit of that as well and kind of talking you through my process. So let's get started. Basically done in here. Just one moment. Things that I'm going to donate. So this is all donatable. And this is just my journal and a book that I've had at a very early age that I've kept. Adventures on the Riddle Planet. And my aunt got this as a gift for me. I'm not sure how old I was. And my name is all throughout the book. So, I mean, it's so old. The copyright is 1978. That was really cool. It was like so nice to have a book that had my name in it. So, I kept this. This will go in the dresser by my bed. But we'll just have to figure out where this goes. This is measuring. This will go in a different location. I have some jewelry and stuff that I'm going to move from this into this one right here. I'm going to get rid of this and put everything in here. This I'm going to keep around because I want to measure some of the windows, especially the window in the other guest room. It doesn't look like the blinds open. So I will measure that window and order some new blinds for that room. But yeah, let me show you the final reveal. So this is how the room looks now. The dresser is done. I got my lighting there. So as you can see, I've got everything hung up. Shoes are in pretty good order. Shoes are for another day. I need to go through those. The way that I've rejigged it is my work tops and my casual tops, they are together up top. So all tops are on the top. And all of my pants and my blazers are at the bottom. So I think that works better. And I have thinned it out just a little bit. I've gotten rid of a couple things that I know I didn't fit anymore. So I've got some bags there. So I think all in all, I did, a pretty decent job of getting my closet in order. So now that it's tackled, what is next? I think all in all, I'm pretty settled in here. I'm just going to continue to kind of work on this and get it to where it needs to go. We do have a couple more combined household things that we need to work on in the living room. I'm going to get new curtains in there. Like I said, the guest room needs new blinds. Our first set of linens on that bed. Our bedroom is pretty much done. We will get a new bedroom set and all new things when we move. So right now we will stick with, his bedroom set. For now, it's not my style. I wouldn't even show it to you because you'd be like, girl, get a new bedroom set. But right now it's fine for now until we move. But yeah, I feel good. I feel settled. It's been an adjustment, but it's good. And I'm excited for the future and what it's going to bring us. And Estelle has not joined me today. She usually kind of peeks her head in to kind of see what's going on. But she's well as well. Like the one main thing I was worried about as far as settling in was not just me, it was my cat. Because anyone who is a cat owner knows that they don't always take well to change. So I am glad that Estelle is settled. She loves my fiance. Like she sits on his lap. I have had this cat for 5 years, and she has never sat on my lap. I come down, she's sitting on his lap, they're chilling, watching a movie, like, So she's settled, she's fine, and I realize that she knows what she likes, and I don't blame. So she's settled, she's happy, and it's interesting that, you know, my fiance was very hesitant about living with a cat, and he adores her, loves her. So I love that. She's a lovable cat, so it was very easy for that. She's very friendly, very sweet. But yeah, that is all that I have. So thank you so much for joining me and continuing to join me on my midlife diaries and my journey. And there's so much more to come. We have, gosh, so much this year. This year is going to be jam-packed with amazing things. Like I mentioned before, you know, my 50th birthday is coming up. I am turning 50 this year. So my 50th birthday is coming up, and we're going to be going away. So I hope to vlog some of that, and getting married this year. So I will definitely be bringing that all to you as well. So just super, super excited. And I'm so glad that all of you are here with me through this journey. I really appreciate it. And thank you so much.